Our project of the month is a sailboat. And yes, it actually floats. This is what your bin will look like for the month. It should have all of your supplies that you need. Let's get started. First, you're going to start with your sailboat fixture. There should be 4 stations. Each child will have 3 corks that they can put in to their fixture. Then they will place their balsa wood on top. There should already be holes in the wood. Make sure you have 2 holes per cork, roughly. While the kid is nailing them in, if they're afraid to hold the nail themselves, they can start by using a clothespin or just their fingers. Those 6 nails are just the minimum number of nails that we need to hold all the corks in place. If the kids want to add more nails, that's fine. Your next step would be to sharpen your mast with a pencil sharpener. And then the same thing, just put it in the middle and have the kid hammer away. The last step is to place your mast. There should already be holes. Slide them on. And you now have your nice sailboat. If the kids want to test out, tell them they are free to go to the water table and see if it floats.